Hey guys, it's Larry and I'm doing another Plan With Me video. These stickers are adorable. I've actually been holding on to these waiting for the perfect time to use them and I just can't wait anymore, so we're using them. These are from Ms. Victoria Thatcher, link below. Free printable download, free download for printable stickers. I've cut these out on my Cricut. So cute. Love the colors, love the images, love all the crafty stuff. And I have been covering up my spines here quite a bit lately with the purple leopard, purple through pink, kind of an ombre. And what I decided for this week is I want to use this washi tape. Instead of just using plain white sticker paper, I'm going to use the washi tape. So I made 2 extra strips to use in my seam here. So I've got that, I've got my full sticker sheet. I'm going to get started planning. If you want to plan along with me, be sure and use the link. Go see Victoria's free printables. Print them out for yourself and let's get started. Okay, so as I mentioned, these are free printable stickers from Victoria Thatcher. I believe they're called Crafty Things. And I've got the link below. Make sure you've got them printed out and plan along with me. We're going to have some fun. So here comes the music. Make sure you've got a drink. Get your planner. Get your stickers. Let's have some fun. Alright guys, so this is it. This is my before the pen. I think it turned out adorable. I hope you like it. I still have 5 boxes left for any other appointments and stuff that come up. I know I have something on Monday, so I did go ahead and put that one on already. And I just used that free download. I also pulled out my Miss Maker book. As you saw, that came in handy there because obviously there's a lot of crafty stickers in here, so I used that. And I used a sticker out of here for the quote. And that's it. So I'm all done. I hope you have downloaded these free printables. They're adorable, and I hope you enjoyed this layout, and maybe you're making one for yourself. I will see you in the next video. Remember, always be thankful, be kind, and keep living light. Bye guys!
Mm-hmm.